Okay, children. Now I am going to explain you about the relationship between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, co-equal powers of both the houses, the special power of Lok Sabha, special power of Rajya Sabha. Relationship between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The relationship between these two houses is based on their respective areas of function allotted under the Constitution of India. Let us see the co-equal powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, similarities between these two. Both the house participate in the elections and removal of the President and the Vice President of India. Secondly, both approve constitutional amendments. Third, both approve the proclamation of all three types of emergency by the President. Fourth, both can recommend the removal of the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts. And lastly, both can discuss and criticize the policies and activities of executive and government. So these are the similarities. Along with these, several other similarities are there also. That means both the house, they have equal powers in regards to ordinary bills. This is also one of the point of the co-equal power of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Let us come to the special powers of Lok Sabha and special power of Rajya Sabha. This special power of Lok Sabha is also, we can say, this exclusive power also, Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha has special powers which make it more powerful than the Rajya Sabha. The first one is a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha cannot initiate the money bill or cannot able to reject it or amend it. It can only suggest amendment which the Lok Sabha may or may not accept. It has only power to put it off for a period of 14 days. Secondly, the Lok Sabha has power, special power to remove the Council of Ministers by passing the no confidence motion. Rajya Sabha can only discuss and criticize the policies and activities of the government. It has no power to remove the Council of Ministers. These are the two special power of the Lok Sabha. One more special power is there, that one, in case of a deadlock between the two houses over an ordinary bill, Lok Sabha's will or decisions will prevail because of its strength. As its strength is more than double that of the Rajya Sabha, that's why its will prevail. Special power of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha had some exclusive powers, special power. The Union Parliament is entitled to make laws on the subjects included in the Union list and the concurrent list. The state legislature is entitled to make laws included in the state list. However, if the Union Parliament wishes to make any law on the subject listed in the state list, it has to first take an approval of the Rajya Sabha. That means, under Article 249, Rajya Sabha may empower the Parliament to make law with respect to a matter in the state list by passing a resolution with a 2/3 majority. Rajya Sabha empowers the Parliament to make law on the subject listed in the state list. Lok Sabha has no authority to assert itself in such matters. The Rajya Sabha is also entitled to initiate the process of the removal of the Vice President of India. And one more special power of Rajya Sabha is there, that is, if Lok Sabha is dissolved before or after the declaration of national emergency, at that time Rajya Sabha becomes the sole de facto and de jure parliament. That means Rajya Sabha takes over the function of the parliament as it is the permanent house of the parliament.